Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see kung ano yung energies ng inyong love life ngayong September 2026. Ayan. So, this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay. Cancer. Ano yung energy ng love life niyo ngayong September? Be in the present and dream of the future. When we dream, everything is possible. Ayan, minsan kasi, we really want to see the future pagdating sa relationship, sa love life natin. Nakakalimutan na natin na mabuhay sa kasalukuyan, diba? Yung present moment. So, ano yung pwede mong magawa ngayong present moment na may malaking impact or epekto sa future mo pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon, di ba? This can be the lessons na natutunan mo in your past na kailangan mong isabuhay finally para mas maging maganda yung direction ng love life mo, di ba? So, it's a matter of application. A-apply mo yung iyong natutunan sa experiences mo in the past. Okay, let's see. This can also mean na meron kayong minamanifest na person or may mga goals kayo ng person mo if you are currently in a relationship na gusto nyong matupad. Take refuge in your love life and enjoy what you have. O, diba? Yun din yung sinasabi ko Enjoy what you have right now. Whether you are in a relationship or not, ano ba yung nagpapasaya sa'yo? Yan bang person mo? Siya na ba talaga? Decided ka na ba talaga sa kanya? Ano? Release. May let go. Let go of anything you have bottled up inside. So, pwede tong para sa mga mga nasaktan in the past na maaring ina-anticipate nyo na yung future baka hindi na kayo magka-relationship, hindi na kayo magka-love life kasi sa experience niyo in the past. So, you have to let go of that kasi minsan may mga expectations tayo. Or may mga tawag doon, inhibitions din na kailangan natin i-let go para merong something fresh, something new sa ating mga relationship na pwede kang maka-attract ng new person kasi na-let go mo na yung energy ng past mo. So, if you are in a relationship, na natin. 8 of Pentacles, yes, you are working on this relationship, this connection. Nag-e-effort ka, nag-e-effort yung person mo. You have the World, so some of you are in a long-distance relationship. Maaring may mga plans na kayo for your future. Ang importante is you are doing practical things. May efforts na binibigay para maging matatag yung inyong relationship. You also have the Four of Swords. So this is about healing. Siyempre, wala namang perfectong relationship. May mga times na talagang mag-aaway, may mga issues. So kung kayang ayusin, diba? Kung talagang nakikita niyo yung sarili niyo or yung isa't isa na kayo talaga in the future. Sa mga single naman dyan, okay, you have the King of Swords. Ang cold ng energy ng mga single. Para bang kayo ay umiiwas at merong wall, no? Na kahit na merong nagkakaroon ng interest, umiiwas kayo. However, pwedeng merong darating na new person sa buhay nyo kahit na anong iwas ninyo. You have the Ace of Cups. New love opportunities. New inspiration. The Fool, oh my God. Yung iba sa inyo, you're going to take a risk. in a new relationship. Mm. Yung bang tipong kahit na tinatry niyong iwasan, if it's meant to be, it will be. Puwedeng meron ng potential 'no, na romantic partner. Ito yung tipong kunyari ayaw niyo pero deep within you, you really want someone to be with you. And you're just waiting for that right time. Mm. And in case na meron dumating ngayong September, why not give it a try, 'di ba? Take a chance in this person para malaman mo kung puwede ba siyang maging part na ng future mo, 'di ba? Kasi yung iba sa inyo ano, eh, medyo distant talaga, eh, umiiwas kahit na merong nagpapahayag ng interest sa inyo or puwedeng may potential yung connection. It seems na yung iba na-trauma 'no, sa past ninyo. Kaya nga, be in the present kasi kung mabubuhay ka sa past, hindi ka makaka-move on, 'di ba? Oh, so that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.